What happens in court?
Right now, most court events are being held virtually via Zoom. The Housing Court is scheduling eviction cases for two events, the first tier event and the second tier event. The first tier event is mediation, and the second tier event is trial. Mediation is not held before a judge. The mediation is actually conducted by a court employee called the Housing Court Specialist, who's a neutral person. They're not on anybody's side, and they're there to sort of mediate the discussion between the landlord and the tenant. Mediation is an opportunity for the parties to try to reach some sort of agreement. They don't have to reach an agreement during mediation, and tenants should make sure that they understand the terms of any proposed agreement fully, that they can comply with the terms, and just read it very carefully before you sign off on anything. Most of the housing court sessions have a lawyer for the day program, which is also being held via Zoom. If during the mediation you want to speak to the lawyer for the day, just let the housing court specialist know, and they should put you into that Zoom room with the attorney for the day if the lawyer is available. If you reach an agreement during mediation, then that takes care of the case. If an agreement is not reached, then the case is going to be scheduled for the second tier event, which is trial. Trial is going to be held before the judge. The tenant should be prepared with all of their evidence and witnesses and be prepared to put their case on before the judge. Once the judge hears the case, he or she is going to take the case under advisement and issue a decision. If the landlord wins, then that means the landlord can get what's called the execution, which is a court order that allows the landlord to regain possession of the apartment or the unit. In that case, if the tenant needs more time to find housing, they're going to want to file a motion to stay to ask the court for more time. So a lot of these forms, detailed instructions on the forms, detailed information about the stages of the eviction case, and lots of helpful resources are available at masslegalhelp.org or evictionlegalhelp.org.